Okay, today's math warm-up is an Esti-Mystery where estimation meets math mysteries. Today's title is Yellow Yarn. I want you to go and get a piece of paper and a pencil or just something to write on, and you're going to be writing down your estimation and making changes as you go. And then when you're done, I want you to either take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher, or you can upload it on Flipgrid, whatever your teacher asks you to do. I want you to share it with your teacher and with your class to so that you can see each other's thinking. Now, this activity comes to us from Steve Wyborney and his website. He has lots of cool math activities that we can do. All right, let's get started with our first Esti-Mystery. So, before seeing the clues, estimate the length of yarn when it's straightened in centimeters. So imagine straightening out this curvy piece of yarn and estimating how many centimeters long it is. Now look at this ruler. It has 30 centimeters. Remember, centimeters are these small units of measure. So if this is 30 centimeters long, how long do you think this yarn is? Go ahead and write that down. And then as the clues appear, you're going to use the information to narrow the possibilities to a smaller set. Then use estimation to determine which of the remaining answers is the most reasonable. So you're going to try to get your estimation to match the clues and what's reasonable as you go. So let's start off with our clues. Clue number 1, the answer is between 45 and 125. So go ahead and make a change if you need to. Greater than 45 centimeters, but less than 125 centimeters. Clue number 2, look carefully at the centimeter side of the ruler. The yarn is touching a pattern of numbers, except it missed a number in that pattern. The answer is a multiple of the missing number. So let's take a look at where the yarn is hitting on our ruler. It's hitting on 6, 18, 24, and 30. That sounds like a skip counting pattern that we might recognize. The missing number it should have landed on is somewhere in here. So whatever number it should have landed on, your answer for the length of yarn is a multiple of whatever it should have hit here. Clue number 3. I'll pause for a second actually, let you adjust and think. Pause the video if you need to stop and think about it. Clue number 3, the answer is not a multiple of 10. So if you have a 0 at the end, you need to change your answer a little bit. Clue number 4, the answer does not include the digit 4. So if you've got a 4 in your number, you need to change it a little bit. So by combining the clues and estimation, you now have enough information to determine the answer. Here's the reveal. This piece of yarn is 72 centimeters long. So how did you do? Which clue gave you some trouble? Which clue helped you the most? And think about how you did in your estimation skills. And remember to share your work with your teacher, either through a picture or maybe a video that you record of yourself explaining what you did. All right, so you're going to keep on going with your math today. Have a great day, guys.